Welcome back, YouTube. I have missed y'all. Oh my God, I know it's been so long since I recorded a video. Y'all, I wholeheartedly apologize. Life has been lifing for me. The ups, the downs, y'all. It's been a real journey over this. I think it's been like a year since I posted a video. But y'all, I'm back. I missed y'all. I feel like I abandoned y'all. Baby, I'm here to stay. Baby, I got a lot to talk about. I got a lot of content, a lot of videos to show y'all. Y'all, I'm here. If y'all here with me, let me know in the comments. Let me know what y'all want to see. I'm going to be talking about some of these ups and downs that life has been throwing my way in these videos and let y'all know what's been going on so y'all can feel me. Y'all can understand me. But y'all, YouTube, I'm back with a vengeance, baby. I'm back. Back. Okay, y'all, my beautiful client, she is ready to go, baby. She is on go mode. She loves her hair. She is ready to hit these streets. Okay, y'all, this is one of my most loyal clients, and I have been doing her hair for years. Let me know if y'all want to see her journey, some before and after pictures of her hair journey. Let me know in the comments below.